do I like panda bears? Cause they are so fuzzy and nice. They come from the country where you get rice. One day I'm gonna get a panda bear. Then it doesn't get fat, I'm gonna feed it pears.
In the morning when the sun comes up, the grass is wet and the flowers are limp. They all go, hey, for the UAV.
Yo, unicorns got white horns, but they really like to eat corn. Flying high, Pegasus in the sky, Charlie's on our bridge, and those little unicorns sound like squids. Yo.
Yo, I live in the Amazon, in the canopies, in the top of the trees, with the pygmies and the parakeets. We party in the streets are dirt, but that don't matter, cause I'm a flirt.
I got trees all around me, no sugar in my iced tea. In the forest, I'm happy. Jack Woods is who I need to be. Mother Nature.
Eagle talents coming at me. Only thing that I can see is Jack's got his trees and I got my mini-me. Peace.